As a car enthusiast, you probably won't be satisfied with the car you drove off the lot. True car lovers know a personalized vehicle not only improves your car's looks, but can upgrade the performance as well. A skilled auto body shop can help you find ways to bring out the best in your vehicle. Here are the 12 car upgradable ideas that are next level 12 ideas to transform your car. DVDs are still a thing, and they're a thing you can use to keep kids occupied in the back of the car. There are many options to buy screens with DVD players that mount on the seat. This one becomes part of the seat with a 7-inch screen integrated into the headrest itself. It can work with headphones or play through the radio with its FM transmitter. Mobile hotspots put Wi-Fi in your car or anywhere else you go where there is cellular service. Which one you pick depends mostly on which mobile carrier you use. Our high-rated mobile hotspot is the 4G-only Nighthawk LTE mobile hotspot router for AT&T, though you can also use your smartphone for Wi-Fi. The Netgear Nighthawk mobile hotspot router is the world's first commercial gigabit-class LTE mobile hotspot router to achieve maximum download speeds of 1 gigabits per second. It combines ultra-fast download speeds support for Cat16 LTE Advanced and 4-band carrier aggregation, providing the best internet connection possible while on the go or at home. Got a subtle stink in the car from kids, pets, gym clothes, or that one jerk in the carpool who won't put out the stoogie? Plug in the FR IEQ car freshener and Ionic air purifier and get the interior back to smelling brand new. Here comes FR IEQ car ionizer air purifier. It releases 4.8 million negative ions per centimeter cube in your car for massive odor-fighting power. It can kill harmful unpleasant odors, remove the PM2.5 particles by generating a safe amount of ozone. It can decompose formaldehyde, benzene, musty leather smell, animal odor, and other harmful gases. Promote the boost metabolism, relieve fatigue, refreshing. A blue LED indication light on the top glows gently to help the users to locate the air purifier and the USB ports in the dark. This design is not only for utility use, but it also fits the modern and fashionable look to your car interior. Every car should have an inverter that lets your DC power receptacle provide juice to all of your AC-based toys and gear. Many of them fit right into a cup holder. Don't mess around, get a cup inverter that provides the goods. The Energizer Cup Power Inverter provides not only a standard power plug, but also has 4 USB charging ports. The 4 ports share a 2.1 amp service, so using just one to plug in a phone will charge it quickly. If you simply desire a better cell signal in your car, use a booster. Stick a WeBoost Drive X in your vehicle with an external antenna outside, and WeBoost claims you'll get a signal improvement for all the major North American carriers up to 33% farther. You can find other WeBoost models for trucks and RVs. Users experience fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, and even faster mobile internet-enhancing cell signals on the road in your car, truck, van, or SUV. Keep your antenna secured on the roof of your vehicle with a powerful magnet mount or an adhesive disc for non-magnetic roofs. Also comes with a 12 VDC power cord that can be plugged into the cigarette lighter. The WeBoost Drive X is compatible with all US network carriers such as Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular, and more. The hassle-free installation doesn't require any tools and is easy to set up in just minutes with easy-to-follow instructions. The affordable fixed active car health monitor plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and connects to an app on your phone to provide maintenance reminders and other helpful info to keep your car in top shape. The fixed sensor and app give you the power to make more informed decisions at the repair shop. Fixed OBD2 reader is compatible with all gas-powered vehicles made in 1996 or newer and all diesel vehicles 2008 or newer. Perfect diagnostic scan tool for Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Jeep, BMW, Porsche, Subaru, Nissan, Cadillac, Volkswagen, Lexus, and more. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android. Instantly diagnose the check engine light, know how severe the issue is, and see potential ways to solve your car problem. You can even get free repair estimates and talk to a certified on-call mechanic with fixed premium. Monitor the health of your vehicle in real time, see O2 sensor voltage, vehicle speed, fuel trims, and more on your phone for a fraction of the cost of an expensive OBD scanner. Connect one or more fixed OBD code readers to your vehicles to monitor the whole fleet from one account. See battery voltage, get notified about car problems, schedule service appointments, and more from your phone. According to the European Commission for the Automotive Industry, 50% of accidents occur at night. A majority of road accidents happen at night due to poor visibility. An automotive night vision system is a system to increase a vehicle driver's perception and seeing distance in darkness or poor weather beyond the reach of the vehicle's headlights. Landmodo Automotive Car Night Vision System attribute to increasing the vehicle driver's perception and seeing distance in darkness or poor weather which beyond the reach of the vehicle's headlights. Landmodo Vast is a camera that sits on the dash and shows you a view of what's ahead. This might not seem that important, but this is for getting 1080p high-resolution, wide-angle infrared night vision to help navigate what may be ahead in the dark, or the rain, or the fog. It's not cheap, but neither is your safety. It's not hard to get a remote car starter installed on vehicles of any make, model, or year, but few are as smart as Viper's Smart Start Pro. The system basically gives you control over your car from afar using your smartphone or smartwatch. Beyond just being able to start the car remotely with an app, it'll locate where it is, tell you how fast the car is going when it's out, alert you if the vehicle moves without your permission, unlock the doors, and more. There are a lot of different options like adding GPS and various monthly service plans, so narrowing down the price on Viper's site seems to be impossible. Expect it to be expensive. It will help you if you create a system rundown to take to an authorized installer, which is required. You can install it yourself. The 66-watt Garmin's top-of-the-line compact dashcams has a 180-degree field of view for the road ahead and records 1440p video as you go to a micro SD card, which you have to buy separately. You can place up to 4 cameras around the vehicle to record, and you control playback via a smartphone app. The Hudley Portable Head-Up Display (HUD) is ideal for projecting navigation directions and other info from your smartphone while driving. Although we'd like to see more in the way of a built-in functionality, it's a solid way to safely display navigation directions and other information while you drive. A $59 Hudley Lite version sits on your dash and reflects on the windshield, so you don't have to look at the real instrumentation at all. For voice-only GPS and inconspicuous dashcam and Amazon Alexa controls combined in one device, the Garmin Speak Plus is a great buy. It's discreet and easy to install. It responds to voice commands just like an Amazon Echo. Because the Alexa on board, it can do almost everything your housebound Echo does. Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa is what you love about Amazon Alexa, now in your vehicle. Use voice control for hands-free access to music, news, navigation, and more, plus a built-in dashcam gives you forward collision and lane departure warnings. Notice, some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit the use of a dashcam device. It's your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and rights to privacy in jurisdictions where you plan to use the Garmin Speak Plus device. Protect your alloy wheels from scuffs and scratches caused by curb and pothole damage with Alloy Gator alloy wheel rim protectors. Manufactured from blended super tough nylon and engineered to be physically integrated between a tire and alloy, Alloy Gator offers market-leading, robust, and unrivaled wheel rim protection.